right. So this week, the topic is core strength. So we're gonna be answering rapid fire if you guys want. Any questions and concerns that you guys might have regarding your core strength. And when we're referring to the core strength inside the Fit Lab method or any of the programs, especially the FlexiGolf, I'm referring to anywhere from your rib cage, okay, all the way down to your knees. Okay, that's the core. However, most people relate core with your abdominals. So let's start with that primarily. The abdominals and the relation to the back pain, or the abdominals and the relationship to your neck pain. Okay, when you do abdominals, how do you get your flat stomach? How often you should work your abs? How what's the most effective abdominal exercise? All those questions, all those ideas, all those concerns, we're going to be covering them for the next few days. But let's start by saying that, depending which book you read, your core is encompassed by 7 different muscles. Okay, that's why it goes from your ribs all the way down to about your knee level. Okay, now there's the front and the back, the side, and of course, in every possible way you can imagine in a diagonal pattern. So each of those muscles are connected by what is called the fascia, okay, and that's kind of like the white sheath that you see like on chicken and stuff. And sometimes we are kind of like a little confused when there's pain or when there's tension. Okay, there's a very gray line, and yes, the fascia is gets pretty knotted, almost like Christmas lights, bone jammed up and whatnot. And so we need to detangle them. We need to kind of like get them straightened out so the tension, the pain lessens out, and you can actually move better. But let's cover today abdominals. So with the abdominals, what we want to do is just remember that it has a distribution almost like a 50-50 of fast and slow twitch fiber. What that means is some abdominal muscles work better with high reps and lightweight. Other ones are like heavy weights, low reps. So it's a combination. With that said, it's a muscle. So you do need to take recovery day. You need to take time off of those. The cool thing about it is that because you have this distribution, this mix of muscle fiber, you can actually get creative, do a little variety of your different exercises and get actual noticeable results. Okay, and I'm not talking results like chisel ab, but I'm referring to like being able to perform better, to play longer, and most importantly, to be pain free. Now, the key for that is consistency. If you're consistent doing core strength or abdominal strength, however you want to call it, but the core strength, if you're working your core, you will get it. Now, if you want to keep at it for the long haul, that's why you see this sign here. If you persevere, you'll keep it. So consistency, get it for you. Perseverance, you get to keep it long haul. And if you're like over 40, 50, like most of us are, you want to be able to keep it, especially as you age, so you can age gracefully and be able to enjoy all the hikes, the golf, the soccer, basketball leagues, and all that fun stuff with your friends and with your kids. So next time we're going to be talking about neck pain and back pain and how it relates, what is the position, what's the main focus. Now, again, when we're talking about the abdominals, the main function of the abdominal is flexion of the trunk or bending of the trunk. However, the muscles that I was referring to, they kind of encompass or kind of surround your rib cage like a corset. Remember back in the 40s, 30s and 40s, where women wore those corsets. That's why they were so well shaped in that nice figure. So the muscles kind of wrap around in a similar pattern. So we're going to go into that and how it relates to your low back. How can you minimize your neck strain when you do ab, and which abdominal exercise are worth the time, including planks. Are they even worth it? Okay, so stay tuned. Definitely message me or comment any question, concern, or things that you want to cover, and we'll do that this week. Talk to you guys today.